Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how can you enable voice chat on Roblox. So guys, first of all you have to open Roblox app on your phone and you just need to tap on three dot over here and you just need to go to in settings and I just need to go to in privacy. In the privacy guys, you just have to scroll down and you will see here two options, microphone and camera input. You just need to enable, just tap on enable, tap on toggle button next to the microphone to enable it. So basically by enabling microphone, basically it is allowing you to chat with your voice. Can you see? Just tap on enable button to enable voice chat from here. Now it is not done yet, you have to enable voice chat in the game itself. So you can open any game that supports microphone as communication. So once you are in the game guys, to enable voice chat you just need to tap on there is a mic over Avtar's head. Can you see? Just tap on it and once you tap on it, now you can talk to anyone in the game. You can see the variation in the mic over Avtar's head. It means Roblox is using your microphone. And if you don't see this microphone in the privacy guys, you have to verify your age. If you don't know how to verify your age, I already made a video on that. Basically in that process you just need to upload your photo ID to upload to verify your age. Also it will ask you to upload your selfie to verify your age. Once you verify your age, you will get the microphone. Just enable the microphone in the privacy and just enable this voice chat in the game. Just follow the same process I have told you in this video and you will be able to use voice chat feature in the game. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.